What's up, guys? So today I'm trying out the Solar Animal Repeller. I got this to try to steer my dog from peeing in the yard because it's killing the grass. And I'm trying to have a beautiful lawn. So, yeah. Pull along. It's pretty simple. Slide it in with one stick. There's two. Now I bought these in a 4-pack. So you have to assemble them. It's pretty basic, pretty simple to assemble them. It comes with the solar panels, so it's kind of self-sufficient, which I like. It's supposed to emit a sound and a light to scare off animals and dogs. And it's got a range of 38 feet and 120-degree spread. So I'm going to spread it out around the yard. My yard's around 1,500 square foot, at least in the backyards, and that's the area that I'm trying to protect. All right, so now I've got these assembled, and now let's go put them in their spots. So as you can see, this is the reason why I'm trying to, and I've tried different things, colored soil, but just leaves a lot of bad spots. Now, I've lined these up. The sound is unpleasant, so I'm a little concerned on just being able to use the yard, but hopefully it'll work. It's pretty simple. So when you get them installed, you can turn it to auto, and it detects me, so it's light, shining a light, and you hear a really high pitch. And this one's blinking as well. So yeah, let's see if they work. I think it worked. Yeah, I think it worked. So all in all, I'm pretty happy. I mean, I brought the dog out here and definitely she didn't like it. If you're in the yard a lot or you have kids, I could see this being kind of a problem, but ideally, only you're training the dog, so they're gonna think that this is an unpleasant zone and eventually they're gonna find elsewhere. And then you can take these out and move them back out whenever you need them. I did notice one thing here is the tree. So I've got it kind of tucked away underneath this tree, and so when it's motion sensor and when it's automatic on, it's just gonna run constantly. So we'll move that. But all in all, great product.